Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be talking about the trade that did not work out. So I had entered Banknifty long here, exactly here. So here I'd entered long, so I wanted to book profit at the day's high. But somehow the market reversed and I kept a break-even stop loss because I expected more demand immediately. But I did not get the demand, so I kept my stop loss. My stop loss would have hit, but luckily I moved my stop loss to break even. So I expected more demand after this candle. We had this red candle's high break over here. So I expected a little bit more up move. So I'll post on the screen my P&L. My P&L over here was around 14,000. So why I took this trade was we had a test of this strong consolidation, we had a breakout. So we had a test of that and we had demand. Market had closed. So shorts were trapped here basically. So I saw these shorts being trapped, so I wanted some up move. So immediately after market reversed, the option it actually came back to my price and it had bounced. So I wanted a good bounce and I wanted a follow through, but I did not get a follow through. So I took my SLS break even. So luckily I took break even stop loss. So my actual stop loss did not hit because I expected more demand right after this level. Did not happen. So if you're talking about Banknifty today it opened pretty strong. But what I would love to see was a little bit more momentum on the upside. So looking at the 3 minute chart, what I wanted was ideally if I looked at the RSI, the first candle I did not see an overbought region. So I wanted a good, in 5 minutes it looked like there was a good momentum, but the RSI was not overbought. So I wanted the short sellers to be trapped, but immediately once the RSI was overbought, the short sellers came and took the RSI down. So there was actual selling that took place today. Long unwinding and selling took place today. So you can see this level how market took resistance. But I was not inclined to short this market because I felt that it was a pretty strong market. So I was not shorting this market at all. And we had strong volumes on the downside also. So you can see that there's strong volumes on the coming down. But looking at the spot chart, again this level it consolidated here for around 3 hours before a breakout. So once market came and tested and I got a bullish candle closing inside, so thought I'll go long. So I entered long exactly in this candle, but did not work out. Same on Nifty. If you're looking at Nifty, again we had a good open, but followed by that the price consolidated for a long time, for a very long time. So if you'd have shorted this breakdown, your stop loss would have hit. So if you shorted this immediately, market consolidated and reversed. So I expected a good up move even in Nifty, testing the day's high, because the short sellers I wanted their stop loss to hit. So I thought market will pull liquidity from day's high, but did not happen. So looking at Nifty 3 minutes also, if you look at the RSI, the first candle tried to become overbought but did not. And then once we got an overbought signal, then sellers have come and pushed the price down. Ideally I wanted RSI to be overbought for some time, especially after a day like this on Nifty. The previous day, extremely bullish day, I wanted the next day to be a little bit strong. I wanted a little bit stronger open, but did not happen. So shorting this at the high here was risky, expecting a down move. Shorting this also, your stop loss would have hit. So going long was the best option, but if you gone long exactly at this doji, okay, but I would not advise to go long exactly here. So on Nifty, I expect tomorrow at least to be a little bit bullish. So tomorrow I expect market not to breach 16,100 levels. So you might get a red candle and immediately a reversal. But if market is not able to sustain at these levels, again you'll get a down move, because already short buildup has started in the futures. So Nifty futures, we have short buildup that's happening, and RSI is pretty evident that market is not looking strong at these levels. So at least for 2 days, I don't expect an up move in Nifty and Banknifty. We take a look at Banknifty on a daily time frame. Every time market has touched this downtrend line, we have got a bounce. We've got a bounce. We've got a bounce. So I expect that the market is not extremely bullish unless this gap border right here breaks, and then I feel that the market is extremely bullish. But for tomorrow, I'm expecting market to be sideways to negative. I'm not expecting immediate up move tomorrow on Banknifty. But going long in the morning will make sense, because there's buying that has happened on Banknifty the previous day. So Nifty, we have got a bearish candle, but I believe that momentum right now is paused. Upward momentum, I want more momentum on the upside today. So I feel that we might have some small bit of consolidation before an up move. So taking a look at Nifty intraday again. Nifty, we have a virgin CPR for tomorrow, so I feel that tomorrow market can reverse from here, especially from the middle of the virgin CPR. I expect a reversal towards the upside, especially if this level is touched. But if, let's say, we are finding a negative candle, first red candle comes below, does not touch this and consolidates here, feel that we might get a late afternoon sell-off that happens again if the market opens below the CPR. So it does not make sense going long immediately here. Wait for the virgin CPR to go long and book profit here. So I guess that is it for today. We'll see how the market has gone tomorrow.